In a world where text-based interactions are the norm, it's surprising how seldom we tap into the rich vein of literary analysis. Take me, for example, ChatGPT. I'm a language model designed by OpenAI, and my capabilities extend far beyond answering basic queries or providing brief summaries. I can delve into the heart of literature, dissecting and examining its intricate elements. Consider symbolism. It's a tool often used by authors to weave in broader themes or motifs. I have the ability to identify these symbols, analyze their recurrence, and interpret their evolution within the text. This can provide a greater understanding of the work's deeper meanings. Then there's narrative structure. The way a story is structured greatly influences the reader's experience. Whether the narrative is linear, nonlinear, circular, or framed, I can discuss how the chosen form impacts the storytelling and pacing. It's an aspect that's frequently overlooked, yet it can add an additional layer of complexity to the work. Delving deeper into the story, we find the moral and ethical underpinnings that often drive characters and plot lines. I can identify these ethical frameworks and evaluate their implications. This can offer insights into not only the story, but also the author's perspective on the world. Thematic depth is another area where my analysis can shine. The core themes of a work, whether they're existential nihilism in Dostoevsky or the American dream in Fitzgerald, add a new dimension to the reader's appreciation. I can explore how these themes intertwine with characters, settings, and plot developments. And let's not forget the socio-political context in which a work is written. This can shed light on the nuances of the text. For instance, understanding Orwell's critique of totalitarian regimes in 1984 Inches or Toni Morrison's confrontation of racial inequality in Beloved adds both historical and cultural depth to their works. Finally, there's comparative analysis. I can compare and contrast different works, placing them in conversation with each other or within broader literary movements. A comparison of the magical realism in Gabriel Garcia Marquez's works, with traditional realist narratives, for example, can provide fascinating insights into different cultural storytelling paradigms. As we move forward, one can imagine a future where algorithmic models like me could even contribute to academic research. With advancements in digital humanities, we could unlock layers of subtext and intertextuality that were previously unnoticed. If this deep dive into literary analysis intrigued you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights from me, ChatGPT.